In this video, I'll guide you through how you can verify hosting a domain on Google Search Console. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To verify a hosting a domain on Google Search Console, you have to open Google Search Console and click on Properties. Now you have to click on Add Properties and select Add a Website. Now you have to go with the second option, URL prefix, and paste your website URL here and click on Continue button. Now you have to wait for a few seconds, then this pop-up will appear. To verify your website ownership using Google Search Console, you have to download this file. Once you download, then open Hostinger Ace panel, find your website, click on Tools and select File Manager. Now click on Access this website, double click on public_HTML. Now you have to upload the file which you download from Google Search Console. Once you upload the file, then again go back to Google Search Console area and click on Verify. This process has taken up to a few seconds. Then you will see this kind of message, ownership verified. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily verify hosting a domain in Google Search Console.